Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a tiger face. Now, to draw our tiger face, we are going to begin with the eyes. Now, the eyes of a tiger, they're almost a little bit ovalish, and they kind of angle in. And I like to have my paper going side to side instead of up and down. I know this is a small piece of paper, but it just helps with drawing these animals out right now. So I'm just going to start by drawing a little oval shape. So I'm just going to start by making a line that goes down, and then I'm just going to kind of curve it up. It's almost kind of like a little football shape. Then I want to leave some space, and I'm going to do the same thing. We're going to draw a little curved line, and then another one right underneath it like this. Next, we want to draw two lines for the nose. So I'm going to draw two lines that come down just a little bit. Then I want to make the nose. The nose of the tiger is just going to go straight across. And then I'm just going to draw a line that goes down and then up, kind of like a V shape. Next, we're going to make the cheeks of our tiger. So to do this, you're going to start here and you're just going to draw a line that just kind of curves up and around like this. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to kind of go down and then curve around for the cheeks of the tiger. Then I want to make the chin. So to do this, I'm going to draw two lines that go down, and I want it to be kind of furry. So I'm just going to add some zigzag lines across here. Next, we want to make the head of the tiger. So to do this, I'm going to start here and I'm going to make a big circle shape that goes around and comes to here. So we just want to make a nice big circle shape for the head of our tiger. Next, we're going to add the ears. To draw the ears, I'm going to start right here. I'm going to draw a line that curves up, and then I'm just going to curve around. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. Just go up and curve around to here. Now, because tigers have a lot of fur on them, I'm going to draw just a little zigzag line right inside the ear, and then a little line that just curves around, just for a little detail inside of here. Now, tigers have a lot of fur on the side of their face. So to do this, we just want to make a little zigzag line that just comes right down to here. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Now, for the body of the tiger, I'm just going to draw two little lines that go down, just so it looks like it's kind of sitting down, looking straight at us. So this is our basic shape. Now we want to come in here and add some of the different details. So let's start with the eyes. I'm going to begin by adding two circles towards the top of the eyes, and then a smaller circle, and then I'm just going to color these in. So it looks like there's a little reflection in the eye. Now we want to add all of the different stripes onto our tiger. And tigers have lots of stripes, so I just kind of like to keep it simple. So what I do is I start by adding two little curved lines just like this. Almost kind of looks like a little wishbone shape. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start up here and I'm going to draw a line that goes down on each side, and then it just kind of curves back up. Then I'm going to do that same thing up here, but I'm just going to make it a little bit longer. Tigers will sometimes have, little stripes right above the top of their eyes. And then I like to add some different stripes that go right around the eyes. So I just kind of put a little stripe right around here, and then I make it just kind of run down the side of the face. Might add some more little stripes in here, just kind of fill it up best you can. Then tigers are also going to have some stripes on their cheeks as well. So I like to add just a few little wiggly kind of stripe patterns right onto their cheeks. Then when it comes to the body, I'm just going to add some nice long stripes that just kind of come to a point. They can go all the way kind of off the paper a little bit too, just for some extra detail. And then I'm just going to go and add some little whiskers coming off of our tiger. And there you go. There is your drawing of a tiger face.